Hi, I'm Sana. Welcome back to my channel. This video is best to be watching after you've gone swimming for an hour or two, but I'll make an exception for you. Have you ever wondered why after you swim for some time, a long time, or you put your hands in water for a long time, your fingers sometimes get wrinkled? Let's do an amazing, brain-chilling, amazing experiment to find out why and how. Okay, what you need for this experiment is anything, like a bowl of fresh water, and then another bowl of fresh water, salt, something to mix it, and a timer. So now I have 2 bowls of fresh water, and in just one, I'm gonna pour some salt in. And then you need to put lots of salt, a ton of it, like as much as the ocean would have. So I just got this iPad. I'm going to set a timer on it for 20 minutes, then put my hands, one hand in this fresh water and one hand in this salt water. And then when the alarm rings for 20 minutes, I'm going to take my hands out and look at how they are. Okay, guys, this is really boring even though the TV is on. Also, it's really itching. Okay, wow, whoopee! Let's just look at my hands. Ooh. Hi guys, great to see you after 20 minutes. So as you saw, my saltwater hand didn't wrinkle as much as the freshwater hand. In fact, it didn't wrinkle at all. Anyway, why did that happen? The answer is called osmosis. Before I explain osmosis, I need to tell you guys 2 things first. They're called The first one is called concentration, which is what I'm going to explain first. I know what you're thinking. Concentration is what you need to focus. Why is Donna explaining this to us? But that's not the kind of concentration I'm talking about. The kind of concentration I'm talking about is very useful in science. So concentration is when a liquid, mostly water, is mixed with a solution, like salt in this experiment. So our concentration was water and salt. The more liquids or chemicals put in the water, the more higher the concentration is. Okay, so in our experiment, the fresh water had the lower concentration, while the salt water had the higher concentration. If you mix more salt with the salt water, then the salt water will have even higher concentration. So the second fact is about our cells. So the cells, I have cells everywhere. I'm made up of cells. So the cells here, water can go through those cells and it can come out of that cells. That's a fact. It's called membranes. Okay, so now coming to osmosis. Okay, now you must be thinking, what does concentration in cells have to do with it? By the way, you need both concentrations for this part. It's really hard and you need to focus. Okay, so what does concentration in cells have to do with it? Imagine that these 2 bowls were connected by cells. Then the lower concentration water would flow to the higher concentration water. That's osmosis. That's what osmosis is. It's basically when some lower concentration water flows to higher concentration water through cells or any other layers. But what does that have to do with my hands and the wrinkles on them? Well, it's because this is my saltwater hand and this is my freshwater hand. It's because when I put my hands in here, it was salt water and it had a higher solution. So it came in and attracted all the water in my cells. So my hand got pretty tight because of the loss of water. But here, my cells just got more water, so my hand became loose with wrinkles and all. Okay, bye. I'll see you on my next video. Hope you had a fun time learning about osmosis. Next time you go to the pool, check out how different it is if you ever go to the ocean.